everybody, this is Christian Incredible, and we are back with another video. But this time, it's a little different. We're making scrambled eggs. I know I don't do baking. But we're making scrambled eggs in a bowl in a microwave. So, let's get into it. Okay, so what you need, it's really easy. You need a fork, eggs too, I suggest, and a bowl, obviously. So first of all, you're gonna take an egg, you're gonna crack it, and you're gonna put it in the bowl, like when you crack an egg. I'll just put this right here for now. Since you're gonna crack the other one, put it in the bowl. And your eggs. So then you're gonna take your salt. Sorry, I didn't mention that. You're gonna, that's the wrong one. And you're gonna put salt. I accidentally put a lot. And then you're going to beat the eggs. So I might never mind. I might okay, I think it's good. So we have the thing ready. So now you're going to put it in the microwave for a minute. So 66. So we'll flip it till it's Okay, we see the microwave is done and we have our eggs. It's a little hot, but this is the result. It's really easy to make. It only takes 5 minutes. So this is your new way of making scrambled eggs, basically. So that's all. Make sure to subscribe and like and hit the notifications bell. And see you in the next video. Bye.